Hi guys, we're going to be having a look in this video at the gradient tool in Gimp 2.9. I'm going to draw a gradient over this image here just to give it a little bit of decorative color. Once the gradient is drawn, I'm going to reduce the opacity a little bit so that we can see the blending. And we're going to work on this gradient now. First thing I want to do is to add a couple of stops. You can see that the gradient is running from yellow to this kind of magenta color here. Adding the stops along the line will pick up whatever color there is at that part of the gradient. And we can move the stops along, or even change their color completely. So I could change that to red, or maybe try some blue. And if I don't like the effect, I can just pull away the stop and it disappears. So we can continue editing the gradient until we're satisfied that it looks exactly as we want. And then once satisfied, I'm just going to hit enter. And there we are. And that's the new and improved gradient tool in Gimp 2.9.